Hi, I'm Sanjana, and today I'll be presenting my paper, Streaming Nudges, How Does Behavioral Economics Help OTT Platforms? So as we know that to be a pioneer in the market, it's important for companies to really pay attention to consumer-centric innovation by understanding consumers' problems, and especially in today's day and age, trying to solve their inconvenience. I chose OTT platforms for my study because it's a very evolving service, especially considering the pandemic. This service has received a lot of attraction and has become extremely profitable. So as we know that this platform has evolved from a rental service back to when it was introduced in the 1970s, to now it has become an on-demand subscription service. And platforms such as Netflix use various ways to attract consumers with specific emphasis on nudges. That is what they mostly use. So nudges, so a nudge in simple terms would be an aspect of choice architecture that alters people's behavior in a predictable way without hindering their liberty. And this serves as a way to probe someone and incentivize them to make a particular choice. And this term was popularized by Richard Thaler in his book, The Nudge Theory. So in my study, I described three particular nudges with respect to the OTT services: endowment effect, willingness to pay using credit cards, and the recommendation algorithm. So my methods include literature review. I start off by analyzing how the history of OTT platforms evolved from a rental service to an on-demand service, and loss aversion, which is a subset of endowment effect, where people tend to hold on to something they value more, and they place a higher value to something they already possess than what they may possess, even if it has the same monetary value. Relating that to OTT platforms, it would be how people generally tend to hold on to their subscription and want to renew their subscription when they already have an existing one. And my second nudge includes benefits of using credit cards. Apart from credit cards being useful, since you don't have to pay at the moment and you can extend it till the end of the month and pay all your bills, it also helps you build credit. And if you're a financially reliable person, it also helps you build on your credit history so you can earn many perks. Also, the recommendation system that OTT platforms use to ensure an insulated flow of content based on what people have watched and what they like. Using terms like because you watched, recommended for you, instills a sort of belonging and individualistic approach that these platforms use towards consumers that can enable them to stay on with their subscription. At the end, I have a quantitative analysis and a Bernard significance test to prove it. So I have two samples with 20 people each. One survey consists questions with nudges and one without nudges. And the values are put in a 2x2 contingency table and analyzed based on the p-values to confirm the results. So with the usage of results, with the usage of nudges, I see that there is a significant result. So if the p-value is greater than 0.05, that is the alpha value, it basically shows null hypothesis. But if it's below 0.05, it shows that it is significantly different. That means the two data sets are significantly different. So in the cases that I analyzed for, I got to know that it was significantly different. And the difference where nudges were used, it showed that it was closer to 57%, which was the percentage value of how many people subscribe to an OTT platform in India. So it's skewed towards 57%, showing that nudges really did impact consumer choice and affect their behavior to continue with the subscription service. Thank you.